In this video, we're going to take a look at how to process an Acima transaction in TireGuru using 360 Payments CFP. Note that Acima can be your primary lender, or it can be set up as a secondary lender, in which case you'll get the option after a decline. On the work order, you can see that Acima is found as the option, and you can click Repair Now, Pay Later. Click Apply in the pop-up, and the pre-application will load. This can be filled out by the service advisor, or you can choose to text this application directly to the customer. Once complete, we'll be notified of an application decision, and in this case, we can see we're approved for $5,000. At this point, the application will be texted directly to the customer by Acima. Typically, your customer will open up this text on their cell phone. In this case, we're using Google Voice for ease of demonstration. Your customer will log into Acima using the code they've been sent together with the last four of Social Security. They'll be required to enter income information, followed by identity information, and finally banking information before they see their approval. Once they see this screen, the customer is complete for now, and the next step is taken in TireGuru. The service advisor will see that the Acima application is now approved, and they can click Repair Now, Pay Later to add the items. Once they get the pop-up, enter in the final amount, and click Process. They'll be prompted to click here to add items, and once they do, a new page will load where each item can be added. To add an item, they'll click the plus sign and fill in the product information. To add multiple items, they'll simply click the plus sign multiple times. Once the Save Items button is clicked, the next text will be sent to the customer for signing. Once your customer receives the text, they can click the link to begin the signing process. They'll once again log into Acima, where they'll be presented with their lease summary. They'll scroll to the bottom, click Review and Sign after checking that they agree. Once the document loads, they'll scroll to the bottom and click Sign Lease Agreement. We'll add their name, and we'll click I accept and sign. They'll fill in their debit card info for their initial payment, and we'll click Make Payment. Once they see the congratulations screen, the signing is complete, and the final step will be done by the service advisor in TireGuru. On the work order, they'll see that it's been signed, and they can click Repair Now, Pay Later once more, followed by Process. Once the process is complete, the message will update to Confirm by Acima, and the amount will be seen under Previous Finances. We can close out of this screen, and from the work order, if we go to Print Finish and then to the Invoice section, we'll be able to see a record of the payment in the same place that we would see any other credit card payment or any other payment applied to a bank account. And that's how you process a Acima transaction.